Can I customize the tap screen function settings on my live stream?
Hello, streaming enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into a topic many of you have been curious about: customizing the tap screen function settings on your live stream. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your stream more interactive and engaging for your viewers.
What is the tap screen function in live streaming?
The tap screen function in live streaming is an interactive tool that allows streamers to create more engaging content. The tap screen feature can include things like polls, questions, emojis, and more. This interaction varies from platform to platform, but the main aim is to enhance the viewing experience and foster increased engagement.
Can I customize the tap screen function?
Yes, you absolutely can. Most live streaming platforms provide you with the option to customize the tap screen function settings. Customization options often include deciding what kind of interactions you want to enable or disable, setting up automatic prompts at specific times, and so on.
How to customize the tap screen function.
Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Go to your streaming platform settings. This is usually found under your profile or on the main dashboard. 2. Look for interactive features or tap screen settings. This might be under Advanced Settings, Broadcast Settings, or something similar. 3. Choose the actions you want. This could be enabling questions, polls, emojis, stickers, etc. 4. Set timings if needed. Some platforms allow you to schedule when certain prompts or interactions should appear. 5. Save your settings. Always remember to save before you exit. Please note that exact steps may vary depending on your live streaming platform. Now, you know not just what the tap screen function in live streaming is, but also how to customize it to enhance your viewers' experience. Customization is key to engagement, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your streams. Happy streaming!